Mag-grocery tayo, guys. Wala tayong kasama. Kami lang ni Mr. This is where you want to put it? Ay, it's already locked. Put it in your pocket.
Did you put the chain on?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, I've not brought my glasses.
It's on the table. You want
You
it?
don't need them.
Okay. We're going na. Some vegetables. We have chicken and pork. I'm gonna buy some sunblock also for Michaela. She won't get in, isn't it? She wants being outside. I enjoy na ang sun eh. Sisilaw ang ating camera para tayo sa sun. Just to be prepared. Oh, they have bougainvillea. Look, how it's gonna survive here? Parang bougainvillea 8 pound. Uy, meron silang bougainvillea, guys. Sana meron din silang kalamansi. Ganito yung daisy ko. Sana yung makasurvive. Are you gonna get me some? Is it cheap? What does this mean? Mini barks. I can do, yeah. I can mix with the clay soil, yeah. How much is it? 5 pound each. Regular price. 2 for 8.50. You gonna plant the tomatoes there? Look.
Yeah.
Ang galing ng bag nila, guys.
Yeah.
Dito mo ito
And
yung tomatoes.
Yeah.
We have some fertilizer for tomatoes.
No, that's especially for tomatoes. You buy two for £9.50.
Buy tomatoes in the grocery. Mahal ng soil. 9.50. 6 pag isa lang. Let's go na. You scan first. You scan at the bottom. You scan first here.
Yeah, we've got
You guys scan the barcode first.
that's a transfer complete.
No, you scan yours. O there. Meron silang music, guys. Ang lakas. Sana hindi makuha ng ating mic. Ang ganda ng kanilang damit. Ang ganda ng kanilang dress. Ang ganda nito sa ating baby. 12 pound naman. Cute. What is that? Save half.
That's only that one.
1/3.
Well, those are 350.
Also get that one. They're the same. Oh! I want extra bowl. Michaela broke mine. Ito na lang siguro. Ito tayo yung isa. Did you scan it? You have to buy me the tayo nung not that. See that one?
That's a good one.
I don't, it's too big. This
Oh no, but it's a small one.
this one.
That one?
No. I don't want that.
It's very weak.
No, that's stainless.
No, it's very
But I'm just gonna sensitive for Michaela. Yeah.
Yeah. We've got the pump container and we can just put this in.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kuha tayo nito, guys. White strawberry, guys. Passion fruit in the Philippines is different. I can try. Nice. How many do you need? 3? Or 4 again? I only got mince. 1 pork and 1 chicken. And a prawn. You missed this? We're finished, guys. Ang laki ng nagastos natin. Pag test ko talaga, palabas akong ano-anong nabibili. Hindi kailangan ko kasi yung iba, mga facial wash, sunblock ng ating baby, ganyan. So, kaya naka 189 kami. Wala, naipit ata. So, medyo mahal pag ano. Pero kakaunti yung meat na nakuha ko eh. Ay. Malabi ko. Check ko nga yung resibo. We're going home. Ay, fuel pa pala. Gas pa pala. Are you going for biking first with Nash? Before lunch?
Yeah.
Okay. Magmumotor sila.
So there's no blood in his stools. There's no blood in his urine. But
We're home. We're home, guys.
let me get the things in. You can help, Mr. Nash.
Nastalawan tito sa grocery. As I said, that's all you got? Yeah, we don't have eggs. We don't have bread.
Wait, no, leave. No, we're going to get shopping. There's the bread.
Hello! Hi, guys! Hi! Say hello. I love you. Nagkakalka lang ating baby, guys. Oh! Here pa.
We asked Mum and Nash, and she might let you have a further.
What is that? Tayo mag-haul, guys, ng ating grocery. So, bumili tayo ng eggs. Ito ay large. 10 pieces lang. Wow. $2.55. Not yet. Laki-laki itong binili ni Sir. 30? 30 wrap? 5 pounds?
Yeah.
5 pounds, guys. Picture yun lang. Ano si Mr. sa snacks?
I thought they were in here.
Oh, yeah, here.
I was going to give her one now.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Milk. Wait, no, that's Mama's, soup. Ito na yung ating bowl, $5.50. Kailangan ko na maliit na bowl. The one we have kasi is big. And this is Pyrex. She's not open yet.
No, not lay in the sink first. Let her see it.
Kayla, look. Meron tayo ito, 6-pack. Is it 6 pieces?
Yeah.
Yeah, 189 lang. So we'll open it for her.
Okay.
Oh dear. Me first. Not expired. Tinry mo. Yummy. Is it yummy?
No, don't push it in.
Don't push it. I need to bring. She's biting it. Isay, do you want some juice? Give some Isay.
Cannot bite. Just
Don't touch the straw. That's hers. You want some? Hey, thank you. Ate have one too. Go and sit down there with ate. Hold your ano.
Come on.
Watch. You say watch me, Kayla. So, anim yun, guys. Yun ay ano na, 1.89. So, mura na rin siya. From concentrate. Parang ano naman siya. Don't turn off the light.
Okay.
It's my lightning. I don't want that. It's too bright.
I'll come in there for now.
And then Sprite. Got a Sprite. Bili tayo ng air freshener. I hope so. It's good. For that outside, I can smell the smelly shoes. Kaya ako bumili ng air freshener.
Shoes.
Smelly shoes.
My feet, you mean?
Shoes. Whichever shoes is that. Bumili tayo ito. 4.75 means beef. And then, bumili din ako nitong prawn. Nakakamiss din minsan, guys, ang prawn. So, luto na yung aking nabili. Wala akong frozen kasi. So, ito hindi ko alam yung price. Parang 1.89 din to. So, side medium. And then, bumili tayo ng minced pork. Magkano tong minced pork? Itong chicken, ano ni Mr. Breast, ang laki-laki, guys. 10 pound to. Ilang kilo to? Dami. Kaya isa-separate na natin para pag nag-freeze ako. Kasi hindi ako makapagluto ngayon for sure. Separate na lang tayo. And then, bumili ko Mr. nitong refill natin. Bumili ko ng isang coconut milk just in case. Paano ba yung coconut milk? Parang coconut milk. Ang milk pala, guys, itong ganitong milk, guys, 1.45. Bumili tayo, guys, ng whole wheat. Whole meal pala. Whole meal na bread. 1.35. Sabi ko kay Mr. para at least the sugar ako. No sugar added to nakalagay. Hello? Oh no, anong ginawa mo sa straw? Nakagat mo na ng sobra-sobra. Ito, tatlo yung binili ni Mr. na ganitong white bread. Have a little helper.
You need to set the toothpaste or not?
No, it's okay.
put it on the
Take it.
side.
Yeah, kailangan na ang... Are you gonna use it na? Thank you. Ang daming panty liners. Yung mga toiletries dito natin ilalagay. Bumili ako ng cheese para sa ating baby. Ito ay resealable na. Cream filled. Sana ito ay creamy cheesy. So, yan. Hindi ko makita ibang price. Ako yung nahihilo. Tayo ng bagels. Yan. Ang isa. Oh my God. Going. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Are you coming? Are you gonna do too? You gonna ride?
I might do. I might not. I'll decide when I'm there. Yeah, if she's chewed all the straw, put it in a cup.
Yeah, straw here. Soft straw. Yan, that's yours. Bumili tayo nito, guys. 8 pound to. Kasi nga ang ating baby ay gusto pag nasa labas na sobrang init. So, kailangan niya ng sunblock. Kasi ako yung nasunog ng karang araw. Smells nice.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. That's 5 pound also. Did you know, I count the prices. I doubted it. 100 something 89.
How much have we saved?
Is it 16? Is it
Sit
16?
down at the bottom.
17. 16.85. Okay lang. Papa. Thank you. She don't want. But I'm Predo 1 pound.
Go on.
Yeah, bumili din ako nito. Fruit and nuts. Cereals. Tissue.
You're spilling, madam. You're spilling apple.
Drink. You don't want it na? Teko. Kit Kat. Cookie dough. Nasa fruits na tayo. Uy! Ang bigat. Ito yung sa ating baby. Hope she likes it. Whole grains fiber. May blueberries. Well, I'm gonna try it also. It's nice. Look at mango. The mango is very ripe. The one that you got, the mango is nice but quite hard for her. It's for adult. But this is soft. Bumili tayo mango. For ating baby. Medyo mahal din ang mango. Nabasa na siya kaya nabura na. Ah, yun pala ang minced pork. 2.55 lang ating minced pork. Ba't ganito? Hiwa-hiwala yung kanyang ng receipt. Then, we got onion leeks, traffic light, bell pepper, yes. Tomatoes. Lemon. Bango ng lemon. Sachay Baguio. Meron akong gustong i-try, guys. Ito, oh. Passion fruit. Why the passion fruit is like this? Passion fruit na. Pero, parang lanta. Lanta na. Try natin. Sa Pilipinas, may tanim kami. You know, in the Philippines, in La Union, we have this. And every time I want some and I can see ripe, I go on the roof and pick some. But inakit ko lang ito sa bahay. So, i-try natin yan. Ang mahal niya. 1 pound something. Hello. We got sweet potato. Sa Michaela. She likes sweet potatoes. Hello. Thank you. We got cubes. Beef cubes. We got some apples. We got some orange. We got some peras. Pahinugin pa. Thank you. I have a little helper. Orange. Grapes. This is grapes. This is not berry. This is berry. We're gonna put it in the fridge na. Keep na. We got sliced cheese para sa mga bata. And avocado for me. Woo! She found her blueberries. Mahilig siya sa blueberries, guys. Nakakadalawang bili yata. And we found a ano to? 1% pink strawberry. Mukhang masarap. Pagtanim kaya nito. Ooh! And then we got persimmon. We're gonna do it na. It's so messy na. This is mama. May tayo moisturizer. For sensitive skin. Hiyang sa akin to. 5 pound. Kaya bumili tayo. What more did you have there? Oh, you have mango and broccoli. So, we're gonna put it na. Oh, it's so nice. Sobrang hinog yung mango. Bango. Hugan. I'm gonna, nana. Finish. I'm gonna do it na. It's so messy. The countertop is so messy. Okay, I'm gonna put the, minced pork and beef in the freezer. Ham! Oh dear! And then, itong ating beef. Kinaluluto naman. Oops! Rose, ano nakalagay? Rose pearl, yung variety. Try natin mamaya. Itong passion fruit. Naipit yung grape.
Itong donut.
Hindi yan donuts. Bagels to. Bagels. Malambot. And then, ano pala? Ito pala. Mga fruits. Okay na yan.
Ano pa po ba? Pag ano po?
Oops! Wala na masyadong chips na nabili.
Hindi trip po.
Ano lang. Bigyan mo siya ha. That's it. Aalis sila guys. Magmumotor ulit sila. Sabi mo sa tito mo. Videohan ka. Nasaan ang tito mo? Hello. Ow! Ayusin na natin tong fruits. Hindi ko muna alis yung sa plastic. Para makain yung old. Ayan, avocado. Nice! Okay. Ita-try natin guys itong passion fruit na, ewan ko ba't ganito itsura. Lanta na yata. Kaya ganito. Papatry natin sa ating baby. Tsaka itong white strawberry. So, ito muna. Kasi dito, wait lang, wait. This one first. This one. We'll try it. Okay, we're gonna get some spoon. Spoon. Ano ba to? Ayaw. Ayan. Hinog na nga. Kayla, try. If you like it. This one.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Look at mama.
No.
Ay. Try it.
No.
You don't want? Ayaw i-try, guys. Ang sarap. Ang sarap ito may asin.
Okay.
So, ayaw niya. So, i-try naman natin, guys, itong ating nabili na white na strawberries. Ito ay, ano pangalan? Rose Pearl. So, yan. Wawash muna ni mama, okay? Stay there. Wawash first. Wawash. Oh, I did here. We will try together. Oh, sa'yo yung big. Oh, we will try. One for you, one for mama. Cheers. 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 Oh, 1, 2, 3. Try. Matabang. Matamis-tamis din, guys. Pero mas lamang ang tabang. Try it. You bite. Try. Ayaw. Hindi pa yun na-wash. Wash first. Wash muna ni mama. Hugasan ko na lahat, guys, kasi dinadampot. Wash first. Come on. Get na. Try. Cheers. Is it nice?
Nice.
Nice. Di mga nangakagat eh. Cheers. Cheers. Oh, dali. Bite. Ano ba talaga sa'yo? Ito, kagat mo eh. Parang mas matamis yung white. Masarap, guys. What?
Yay!
Try it.